And the last topic in this project will be setting up of Jenkins and scheduling jobs, executing our project from Jenkins UI and generating reports, integrating reports onto Jenkins itself, and then at the end sending out an automated email, right? So, Jenkins, while starting Jenkins, you need to make sure that you need to add this the Hudson model directory browser support.csv equal to blank. This is what you need to add while starting Jenkins services. Once the Jenkins services are started, you need to go to localhost 8080 to access the Jenkins UI. And make sure on your Jenkins UI you have the HTML publisher plugin already installed. So I'll create a new item, a new Maven project, say live project page object with factories, right? And I'll click on OK. So over here we'll be looking at the POM XML files. POM XML will be this. Take the location. Role will be clean and test, and then post build action will be publish HTML report, and we're going to generate extend report. So it will be extend.html and extend report, the archive folder where the report is being generated. It's inside target surefire HTML, so we need to archive this folder, as the screenshots are also archived in the same directory, stored in the same directory, right? So once you archive the entire folder, screenshots and report HTML file will both be picked up by Jenkins and will be integrated with your build. So let's save this and let's build it now to make sure everything it works fine. Let's see. So it's running the second test only, as for the first one the run mode is no. Right, it's about test executed and both are working fine. And let's wait for the reports to finish. And the reports are being archived. All right. So let's go back to a build and you're going to see extend report generated here itself. And let's see, yes, the screenshot is also there. Right. So all the tests can be accessed via this extend report itself. So now we want that this path of the report should be sent an email, so we can implement like the suit listeners, where once the suit is completed, it should send out an email. So we're going to go to our custom listeners, and there's a listener that we have implemented initially in data driven, that was on finish. Right, this is being implemented from iSuite listener. So in on finish, we are creating an object of monitoring mail, and then we are sending out an email. So email will be sent with the message body, that is the current local host IP address, and job, then the path will be this. Right, right. So let's save this, and let's compile and run this build once more. So I'll say build now, and let us go to our inbox as well. Build as scheduled. So at the moment, there's no report email. So let it run, and we're going to see once the email is triggered. Sorry about that. Okay, first test got executed, and now the second one. All right, and see the mail is being sent out. Successfully sent mail to all users. Build finished. And now if we go back over here, we got the extent report. Click on this and click on this. Okay. All right, so there's an issue over here. That should be a job, then live project, right? So the issue was just a mistake. That was it. All right, now it should work fine. Right now there shouldn't be any error. right? So the last test is also successfully executed. And again, it should send out an email. And I will go back to the report, the email inbox, click on the latest one, and it launched the latest test, right? So this is what the latest results are, right? So this is how you can configure email, and this was the complete architecture of your page object model with page factories. So page factories are nothing, those are another annotations that derive the page object model approach itself. And page object model is not a framework, that is just a design pattern, right? It's the way of separating your your business concepts from your test cases, and implementing some common pages, encapsulating in all business pages, right? So that is what your page object model is, and page factories are the annotations, uh, like at the rate find by, find by, find all, which helps you to locate elements in a more effective manner, right? So that is what your page object model and page factory approach is. All right. Thank you.